Hello, in this video, we're talking about how to get data from SQLite database to a comboBox. Like this example, we receive the name of objects into the SQLite database table from SQLite to comboBox. How do this? Let's start. At the first, we will create a method to read the data into the SQLite database. We have a class about SQLite that particular to perform the tasks from the database. We have a table from the database that we created that have many columns, and we will read the name of objects into the SQLite to a comboBox. We will create a method that we define here. This method, we initialize it to dimension array. We will return to dimension array into another class that name it by objects. At the first, we will define the database to read the data. The first, we will define a command that select all from objects that we have a table in that database, and DB at the top of the class, we will initialize it in the particular file. And after we have execute a reader to execute the command that we created. After this, we will count the row of the table that we have. How many rows? The row count will increment according to the number of rows in that table. And we will initialize a variable into two-dimensional array to save the data into the array. We have an array about info, and row count is the number of rows and number of columns is 2. We can receive all information that in the table, but we need only the barcode and name of objects in that table. Read and then execute the reader, and we will loop to save the rows into the array. Get string read.getString 1, it means column 2. Column 0, we have ID in that table. Column 1, column 2 is name of objects, and column 3 is barcode. We need only name of objects to a comboBox, but we will receive the barcode to another comboBox, and then we will read.close the database, and then we will return the array that we created in that method to another class. In by objects, we will call the method into the array, a new array that we created that name is object.read.objects.db. We will define the object of another class that named SQLite about object, and then we will create a loop to add the data of objects in that array into comboBox. The index is 0. Index 0, it named column 1 in that array into name of objects comboBox. And in this way, we will receive the data into the comboBox. Very thanks.